Hey everyone, and welcome back to Zacchy Crypto Update, your number one source for clear analysis and real talk about what's really happening in the crypto market. We cut through the noise and get straight to the potential opportunities. If you're tired of missing the big moves, make sure you're subscribed. Alright team, let's talk about a coin that's been making waves, and not just because of big pumps. We're looking at KASPA. And folks, something significant is happening here. You've probably seen the charts, maybe felt a bit of market jitters recently. But while some assets might be wavering, KASPA is showing some serious strength right now. Our good friend, analyst Dark Knight, pointed this out on his chart, and it's something we absolutely need to break down. He highlights that KASPA is already up a solid 130% from its recent local bottom. That's impressive by itself. But what's more telling, and frankly, quite bullish, is its behavior after that run. We've seen waves of selling pressure hit the market, hitting many altcoins. But KASPA didn't collapse. It didn't react with wild, panicked swings. This, right here, is a crucial signal. When an asset absorbs significant selling volume without falling apart, it tells you there's strong underlying demand and conviction from holders. It's like trying to push against a solid wall instead of a flimsy fence. This kind of steady, resilient behavior often indicates a healthy, maturing trend and a robust market structure ready for the next move, not a crash. Dark Knight believes KASPA is actually gearing up for another strong push, and based on the technicals, I'm inclined to agree. So what are the technicals telling us? Let's look at the chart, simplified so everyone can understand. KASPA is currently trading around $0.123. A major win recently was pushing above the 200-day simple moving average. Think of the 200-day SMA as a long-term trend line. Breaking above it is a classic bullish signal, showing that the long-term picture might be shifting upwards. Right now, the price is sitting almost exactly on the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, which is around $0.12179. Holding above this 0.5 Fib is important because it suggests the price has retraced a significant portion of the previous move but is finding support to continue upwards. It's a key psychological and technical level. Also, notice the 50-day SMA, that's your shorter-term trend line, is trending upwards and is below the current price. This confirms that short-term momentum is also favoring the bulls. When both short and long-term indicators align like this, it adds conviction to the upward movement. Now, let's talk support. The most critical support zone right now, the one bulls absolutely need to defend, is between $0.105 and $0.106. Why is this zone so important? Firstly, it contains the 0.618 Fibonacci level, often called the golden ratio in trading, a level where reversals frequently occur. Secondly, and this is huge, this zone was previously a resistance level that KASPA broke through. Now, it looks like it's flipping into support. This support/resistance flip is a powerful technical signal. It means that sellers who were previously active at this price have been overcome, and buyers are now stepping in, confirming that this level has fundamentally changed its role on the chart. If KASPA holds this $0.105 to $0.106 zone, the bullish structure remains intact. Below that, yes, we have deeper supports around $0.082 and the major base at $0.053. But frankly, looking at the current strength and how it handled that recent sell pressure, it seems highly unlikely we'll revisit those levels unless there's a major black swan event. The market structure just doesn't suggest it's heading down there. So, if KASPA is holding support and showing resilience, what's the potential upside? Dark Knight points to another strong sign for a sustained move, the ADX indicator. The ADX, or Average Directional Index, measures the strength of a trend point when an ADX reading close to 40, where KASPA is sitting, indicates a strong and well-defined trend is in place. This isn't just random chop, there's underlying directional conviction building. Even if we see some short-term sideways movement or a shallow dip, the ADX suggests the bigger picture trend is still pointed up. The immediate hurdle, the key resistance level we need to see KASPA break, is $0.138. This level acted as resistance before, so it's a natural place for sellers to try and step in again. If KASPA can convincingly break and hold above $0.138, the path opens up significantly. The next potential targets on the chart are $0.158 and then $0.178. These aren't just arbitrary numbers. They line up with the 0.382 and 0.236 Fibonacci levels from the previous move. These are levels that traders and algorithms are absolutely watching. Breaking through these would confirm a strong continuation of the rally. What truly stands out from this analysis is the quality of the price action. The fact that KASPA remained stable and didn't panic sell during recent market pressure is a testament to its strong holder base and potentially increasing demand. It's like the market tried to shake it down, and KASPA just shrugged it off. This behavior isn't typical of a coin about to crash. It's the behavior of a coin consolidating strength for the next leg up. KASPA has a history of being an early mover in market cycles, and this recent price action reinforces that idea. So, pay close attention to the $0.121 level as immediate support, and especially that $0.138 resistance. If $0.121 holds, great. If $0.138 breaks with conviction, this potential rally for KASPA might just be getting started. I am not a financial advisor. This video and all content on this channel are for educational and entertainment purposes only. Investing in cryptocurrency is extremely risky and speculative. Prices can go down as well as up, and you could lose your entire investment. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Always do your own thorough research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. So, keep your eyes locked on KASPA. The technical setup looks promising, and its recent resilience is a major bullish signal in my book. We'll be tracking these levels closely here on Zacchy Crypto Update. If you got value from this analysis, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you're alerted the moment I drop my next video. And don't forget to join that Telegram group for those sweet free airdrops. Thanks for watching, stay smart out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.